Hello and welcome. This is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement Private Limited. This video is very interesting for the ones who wants to earn passive income. And I will tell you one domain from where you can make your skills turning into an action and you can earn passive income very easily from these kind of platforms. So in this particular video, I have covered that how to earn passive income by selling your skills in transforming your service as a digital product and making templates and selling them in low prices, so to earn the passive income in a longer run. So let's get started. Okay, so I have earned so far $1,400, which is approximately, if I convert that into PKR, so as today is 23rd of July 2021, it's around 2,25,441 rupees. So this video is all about that how I made these dollars 1,400 and you can see the platforms logos here. So I have used these two platforms. The first one is Eloquens and the second one is CFI MarketPlace. So what I come with an idea is how you can turn your skills into action to generate some passive income. But it's very important to understand before I begin that you should learn those skills first and then come to the earning part, right? So many people just come with in a very hurry that they will be earning these kind of passive income in very lesser time, but that's not the case. There are around 10 to 11 points you need to consider, which I have explained in this video. You have to understand them, each of them one by one in very detail, and then you can start earning as I am currently earning from these platforms. Okay, so let's get started. This video will be very exciting and very useful for you if you are already doing some jobs which gives you a salary at the end of each month. But if you want to make more money as a part of your passive income, so you can use this platform. Okay, so first, and is a disclaimer. So this video is recorded for solely purpose to motivate students or professionals in earning passive income by converting their skills into action. So after watching this video, there is no guarantee that you will earn the same income which I will be showing you in this video. It could be less than or it could be more. It all depends that how much hard work you do in order to generate your passive income platforms. Okay. Another important point is that this video is not for those people who are looking to make money fast or overnight magic. So passive income requires hard work at the very first time, one time with some logics and strategies and planning, and then you can earn in a longer period of time, like 24/7. Even if you are sleeping, you are earning something. So this is the passive income which comes in your bank account 24/7, 365, right? Okay, so these two platforms which I used, as I told you that I have converted my service as a digital product. So I am good in Microsoft Excel, Power BI, financial modeling, and solving some key business challenges regarding Excel business domains. So I thought and I came up with these two platforms where a lot of people are selling these their templates to the general public. So I started making some templates, and first platform which I used is the eloquens.com. So you can go to this link and check my channel as well. So there are currently 26 templates, and I have also signed up on CFI Marketplace as well. So you can check these two links as well. And if you want to sign up, definitely you have to go to this link. So the first thing which you need to understand before I show you my dashboards and my earnings, there are some key steps to make this passive income by selling templates online. Okay, so my expertise and domain areas are Microsoft Excel and Power BI. Currently I'm focusing on these two domains. Might be in your case it could be a financial modeling, or it could be any other thing which you like to convert your skills into action, and you can, if you can make a template, so you can just start by selling those templates online. And there are so many websites available, not just these two which I showed you, but so far I have explored and on a real-time basis, because I am earning from these websites, so I personally like these two platforms. And in future, if I will explore some more platforms, so I will be making some new videos for you as well, right? So the first point you need to identify is that what is your expertise and domain, in which area you are good at. So what kind of a templates you can make. Okay, so first that part you need to identify. The second thing is that you need to do some finding, some research from the templates website. So before sign up, you need to see the trend on those websites, that what kind of templates are currently in demand, or what kind of templates are selling mostly these days. Okay, so hot burning topics will be the key areas in which you can create some templates and you can start selling those templates, right? Then the number 3 is observe the topics or the current templates in demand as need. As I told you that you need to observe in every 15 days that what is the current topic or a problem you can see globally or domestic wise. The user is trying to find all those templates on the websites. I will show you that how to find all those needs, but this point needs to be considered, because sometimes we are good at something, but that is not actually in demand from the user side. So we have to identify the user issues or the problems from the client, and then we start developing those templates, right? Number 4 is you need to create some different kind of templates, and those could be the improved versions. So you need to be very much creative. You should not copy and paste the entire template from the other websites and then you are uploading on your profile, because that would not be in much demand, because that template is already being sold or fulfill the purpose. So you need to be very much creative and improved in making your templates. Number 5 is converting service as a digital product. You need to be working as a facilitator. So make sure that every time you must be available for your customer or for your client when you sell a template to them. This way you will be engaged in a longer period of time with that particular client, and might be they give you the opportunity in a longer run to earn more money out of that. For the strategical point of view, you can offer some discounts for initially to grow your profile, because every time when you make a profile, a fresh profile contains nothing. So you need to definitely make sure that your profile is visited thousands of times, or you can offer some free downloads or free templates to offer to the general public to improve your profile credibility. So once your profile credibility improves and number of views and visitors comes to your profile, then you start offering some paid templates. So definitely these things need some time, some patience. Okay, so start with low price, because as we know that there are so many people selling templates on so many websites, so there is a big competition. So you can start with a higher price, but you can come up with some kind of deals or packages or any kind of pricing strategy. So my strategy is to start with a low price. I personally started with free downloads at the very beginning when I created my profile, but with the passage of time, as I observed that the demand is coming, so I started selling those templates with a low price. Next is you should add some value addition things for your customer who are purchasing your templates. Something like you can add video tutorials, you can add complete instructions in the spreadsheets or the templates you are making, so that they can purchase, they find something comfortable to purchase your templates. And then iterate and release new and improved versions after every 2 months or 1 month. Okay, that's very important, that you are constantly trying to improve your templates. So try to release a new improved version, try to take some feedbacks from the customers or the clients which are downloading your templates, so that you can come up with new version after every 2 months. And what it will make is enhancing. So what it will help you, that it will grow your profile more, and might be your template will attract new buyers as well. Okay, number 10 is most important, is first you need to learn, and then you will definitely earn. So a lot of users, what they do is they don't learn, they just identify the platform and they just go onto that platform and start making and selling those templates without proper findings and research, and because they are not subject matter expertise. So after 3 months, 4 months, their profile is not able to generate any kind of passive income. So if you are a subject matter expert, if you have identified your expertise in domain, and if you have learned all the things well, and you are very much creative, so the learning part has been done properly, so you can earn easily, otherwise it will not. And I will tell you that what are those ways to learn Excel and BI as well. The most important point is there is no monetary investment in these kind of platforms. You don't need any kind of money to invest. These are free of cost. You can just sign up on the website and start uploading your content in form of templates, and then start selling. So there is a kind of less risk or no risk, and you can earn 24/7 365. So this is the passive income. These are the 11 most important points you need to consider before jumping into the selling your templates on those platforms. So if you want to sell on the other platform, just like freelance markets, so these are 6 one of the most my personally favorite websites of freelancing work. So you can sign up and start selling your services and start uploading your templates or screenshots on these websites, so that more work can come to you as well. Right now, let's go to the dashboard, which I want to show you that what kind of important areas you need to consider, and all those 11 points in order to make the passive income from selling templates. So now I am logged into my account, and I will go to my dashboard so I can show you that my earnings. So now you can see that 13.4k views has been done so far, 1.1k downloads, and you can see here gross sales, that is 1.4k dollars, right? So $1,400 in last 3 months, 90 days, you can say. So if I convert this $1,400 into PKR, so this is my total earnings so far in 90 days. Okay, so if I improve my more templates, definitely I can earn more, right? So the templates which I have uploaded and which are currently on topmost selling area is the cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard, financial planning calculator, human resource best practices, sales performance dashboard in Power BI, Amazon sellers accounting template, right? Sales analytics dashboard, again cryptocurrency version 1. This was the version 1, then I upgraded to version 2 with much improvements, and now I will be uploading version 3. So as I told you in point that you need to iterate and come up with the newer versions of your templates in every 2 months. The key areas which I am working in the categories are related to Power BI, KPI dashboard, sales, HR, financial modeling, Excel, VBA, right? So these are one of my areas. Now one important point which I showed you on the slide is that you need to do some findings and research, right? So if I go to this website main page, so now you can see that there are so many categories in which you can work on, right? In the technology, you can see the data science, data mining, cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, Power BI, statistical, machine learning. In the strategy, we have so many areas, startups, finance. So in finance, we have so many areas as well, right? Now, if you go to this website, so how we can find that which kind of a templates are one of the most trending these days. So you can see that the last downloaded category, these are the templates has been currently downloaded. So you can analyze that these are in demand. So last purchased templates, these are the templates which are last purchased. So you can observe and analyze that which kind of topics are in more demand for the templates, right? Featured channels, features best practices, most popular best practices, newly published templates. So there are a lot of categories has been made so that the user can do some findings and come up with all those templates which are in required by the customers or a client these days, right? So every day you have to come to this website and analyze that which kind of categories or domains are in most demand for as in terms of templates, right? Another website which I have used is the CFI MarketPlace, right? So CFI MarketPlace is also a good website where I have also uploaded some of my free templates to offer, and some are the paid templates, right? All right, if you want to learn first, so I recommend that go to the YouTube and subscribe to my channel, that is Excel Basement Private Limited. And also I have prepared some free courses on Udemy. So this is the link, and currently there are 27,000 plus students has been learned so far my courses. My courses are related to advanced Excel and Power BI on different domains and topics, and also Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and finance topics, right? So you can explore these free courses. Once you learn, you can start developing templates, right? So far 42,000 plus enrollments has been done on my Udemy account, and these courses are being viewed in more than 170 countries. You can see here, right? So if you want to learn, go to the Udemy on this channel, or you can go to the Excel Basement channel where you can start learning Excel, Power BI, or PowerPoint, Word, Tableau, right? And then start making templates and try to find and do some research and sign up with your profile and start uploading templates and earn passive income. The most important are these 11 points. If you understand these 11 points, then you will be successful in selling templates online. You need some patience, start earning. The reason for recording this video is to motivate the youth, the students and professionals, and helping Pakistan in growing in terms of bringing some remittances into the country so that the economy gets more improved. So this is my small contribution towards that particular goal, but I hope that the youth will start exploring these platforms.